Much, our Deputy President. My name is DOREEN NYANJULA, and I'm here standing with my sister, Kanso Kunihira. And we are specifically going to give an update and also talk about the activities lined up for the Women League. And I do that as head of gender in PFF. On 8th March, here at our headquarters, we commemorated Women's Day, and on that day, we rolled out our program. And our program was to start with the visiting of political prisoners, and indeed, we're able to visit prisoners, political prisoners, both female and male. We're able to go to Luzira Women's Prison, and we visited Kaija Doreen, Sauda Madada, Olivia Lutaya, Namaganda Madina, and Nachibule Hanifa. Now, Namaganda and Hanifa, these were arrested from Honorable Mwanga Chivumbi's constituents. These ladies, they are young girls. They were in their senior 5 and they're expecting to sit their exams. It was very painful listening to them narrate their experience, given that they're actually not politicians. It's because they have attained some level of education and they were willing to be polling agents for the Honorable Mwanga Chivumbi. And they rallied all us that are out to kindly at least demand for their release. It would be unfair if I also do not convey what Kaija Doreen told me. She was categorical, and she said Yusuf Nsibambi needs to distance himself from even mentioning her name, because Kaija Doreen has never received any delegation from the state asking him to cooperate with them so that she's released. We also visited the Honorable, we also visited General Chiza Besije, Hajobed Kamlegea, Makoha Samuel, and the Honorable John Mary Sebufu. That was done, and I would like to appreciate all the leaders, the public, the women that contributed and made this possible. However, on 6th April, and this is why I'm rallying all the women, PFF has given the women an opportunity to document their stories. And we have a magazine which we intend to launch on 6th April called The Untold Stories of Women Under Museveni. So if you're a woman, please, this is an opportunity that PFF is granting you. Your story can be political, your story can be economic, your story can also be a social story. Come out and tell us how your life has been under the reign of Mr. Museveni, under the 40-year reign of Mr. Museveni. We are inviting our sisters from NUP to also forward their stories. I've so far received 2 stories from NUP. We are calling upon our sisters from ANT. We are calling upon our sisters from all other political parties, our sisters in the markets, our sisters in the medical sector. We are calling upon our sisters from all walks of life to kindly submit your articles. Those articles should not go beyond 1,000 words. Please forward your articles on the PFF email, which is info@pff.ug. You can also copy me in at doreennyanjula88@gmail.com. Thank you so much. And as women, we are also requesting Museveni and telling him, please, Museveni, Mala, Mala. We believe that a real man should finish. Thank you so much.